One woman says she owed the city of Cleveland $25 in city income taxes, so she paid it. Easy enough. She thought that was that until last week when she received a letter from the city threatening legal action if she didn't now pay a whopping $750 to the city. Her daughter receiving a similar notice, and now they're both scrambling for answers.
It's heartbreaking.
Why?
One, this is the worst time ever. Absolute worst time ever. I work for the government myself, but I'm still struggling to pay my bills.
Struggling and somehow needing to figure out how to pay the city of Cleveland $754.65, all because of a tax issue she says she took care of in February.
They looked back 4 years and discovered I owed $25 because I didn't update my W-4 timely. $25. I paid the $25 and I said, I'll pay the fine for that year because I earned that one. But the rest of this, come on.
Stephanie Thornton and her daughter Devin got these notices in the mail last week. Delinquent taxes show zero, but it does highlight penalties and says the Central Collections Agency is preparing to go to court if both amounts aren't paid in the next week.
Do you feel like you're being taken advantage of by the city?
Especially with how sudden this was, how unexpected this was.
Devin and her mom say they've hit dead ends on getting clarity. So I reached out to the city once again. Here's how late filing penalties work. Prior to the tax year 2023, if the income tax form was not filed in time, a $25 penalty could be imposed each month it remains unfiled, with a $150 cap each year. Starting in tax year 2023, that annual cap dropped from $150 to $25. Then there's the late payment penalty. This is separate. It kicks in if the person owes money to Cleveland. That's 15% of the balance. On top of that, there's interest. In 2022, it was 5%, then 7%, and now 10%. The city's finance department telling me in part, quote, "It is not our intention to alarm anyone. Penalties can be disputed. Those are then reviewed and decided on a case-by-case basis. We always try to work things out and help people when we can." Also previously saying it acknowledges it can do better when alerting people of the tax form prior to audits.
What I want from Cleveland is immediate action. I don't want to hear we acknowledge that we can do better. I want to see better being done.
If you're in a similar boat, we have who you can email to dispute those charges from the city of Cleveland. That'll be up on our website, news5cleveland.com. For News 5 here in Cleveland, I'm Keely Olives.